The Earth is changing. It's always changing, of course, but now it's changing because of us. We've entered a new epoch, one defined by human influence. Scientists call it the Anthropocene. The Anthropocene isn't just about pollution or climate change, although those are big parts of it. It's about something much larger. It's about recognizing that humans have become a force of nature. We are reshaping the planet, from the highest mountains to the deepest oceans. The signs are everywhere. Our cities sprawl across the landscape. Our farms transform forests into fields. Our minds carve deep scars into the earth. We are leaving our mark everywhere we go. The question is, what will that mark be? For millennia, mountains stood as symbols of permanence, of nature's enduring power. Rivers, too, flowed along paths set over eons. Today, we have the power to alter even these fundamental features of our planet. Consider the artificial islands rising off the coast of Dubai, or the massive Three Gorges Dam in China, which holds back the mighty Yangtze River. These are not mere engineering feats. They are acts of terraforming, of reshaping the very contours of our world. These changes are not without consequence. Altering the flow of rivers can disrupt ecosystems and displace communities. Creating new land masses can have unpredictable impacts on coastlines and marine life. The power to reshape our planet comes with a profound responsibility. The challenges of the Anthropocene are daunting, but they are not insurmountable. Human ingenuity, which has driven so much environmental change, can also be harnessed to mitigate it. Across the globe, innovative projects are underway to restore damaged ecosystems and create a more sustainable future. In the deserts of the Middle East, vast greenhouses are transforming barren sands into fertile farmland, using seawater for irrigation and solar energy for power. In the Netherlands, floating communities offer a model for adapting to rising sea levels, while simultaneously creating new habitats for marine life. These projects demonstrate the potential for human intervention to heal, rather than harm. They offer a glimpse of a future where we work in concert with nature, not against it. Section 4. Adapting to a changing world. The rise of climate-resilient design. As the climate changes, we must adapt not only our technologies, but also our very way of life. Nowhere is this more evident than in the field of architecture. The buildings of the future will need to be more than just shelters from the elements. They will need to be resilient in the face of extreme weather events and rising sea levels. Climate-adaptive architecture encompasses a wide range of innovations, from buildings that can withstand hurricane-force winds to floating homes that rise and fall with the tides. Green roofs and walls can help to mitigate urban heat islands, while permeable pavements allow rainwater to replenish groundwater supplies. These design solutions are not just about survival. They are about creating a more livable and sustainable future. By embracing climate-adaptive architecture, we can create cities that are not only resilient, but also healthier and more enjoyable places to live. Section 5. The Architects of Tomorrow, introducing the Terraformers. Who will design the cities of the future, the ones that can withstand the challenges of the Anthropocene? Who will guide us as we navigate the uncharted waters of a planet reshaped by human hands? A new breed of visionary professionals is emerging, the Terraformers. These individuals are not simply architects or engineers. They are interdisciplinary thinkers who combine expertise in fields like urban planning, environmental science, and even social justice. They understand that the built environment is not separate from the natural world, but deeply intertwined with it. The Terraformers will be tasked with envisioning and creating solutions that are not only technically feasible, but also socially equitable and environmentally sustainable. Their work will require creativity, collaboration, and a deep understanding of the complex interplay between human systems and natural systems. Section 6. Earth's ever-evolving canvas, a dynamic relationship. The Anthropocene is not a static endpoint, but a dynamic process, a continuous dance between human action and planetary response. As we reshape the Earth, it reshapes us in turn. Our future depends on our ability to recognize and adapt to this ongoing interplay. The story of humanity's relationship with the Earth is still being written. The choices we make today will determine the course of that story for generations to come. Will we continue to exploit the planet's resources until they are exhausted? Or will we find a way to live in balance with nature, creating a future where both humanity and the planet can thrive? The answers to these questions lie not in some distant future, but in the actions we take here and now. The Anthropocene is not a foregone conclusion, but a call to action, an invitation to become conscious stewards of our planet. Section 7. A future written in stone and water, navigating the Anthropocene. The Anthropocene is an era of profound change and unprecedented challenges. Yet, it is also an era of immense opportunity. We have the knowledge, the tools, and the capacity to chart a new course, to create a future where humanity and nature can coexist and thrive. This future will be written not only in stone and steel, but also in water and wind, in the rustling leaves of restored forests and the crashing waves of a healthy ocean. It will be a future where cities resemble ecosystems, where buildings breathe and adapt, and where the boundaries between the built environment and the natural world become increasingly blurred. The path forward will not be easy. It will require us to confront difficult truths about our impact on the planet and to make fundamental changes to the way we live, work, and consume. But the alternative is unthinkable. The future of our planet, the future of our species, depends on the choices we make today.